When it comes to seeking professional help for mental health concerns, it is essential to find the right support that aligns with your specific needs and preferences. There are various avenues to explore when looking for professional help, including therapy, counseling services, psychiatric evaluations, and support groups. Understanding the different types of mental health professionals and services available can help you make informed decisions about your treatment. Hit that subscribe button now and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle. 1. Therapy and counseling services. Therapy and counseling are common forms of mental health treatment that involve talking to a trained professional who can help you address your concerns and develop coping strategies. Therapists, psychologists, and counselors offer individual, group, and family therapy sessions tailored to your specific needs. Different types of therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, interpersonal therapy, and psychodynamic therapy, may be recommended based on your symptoms and goals. To find a therapist or counselor, you can start by asking for recommendations from your primary care physician, friends, or family members. Online directories such as Psychology Today and Good Therapy can also help you search for licensed mental health professionals in your area. It is important to consider factors such as the therapist's expertise, approach to therapy, and compatibility with your personality and values when choosing a provider. 2. Psychiatric evaluation and medication management. In cases where medication may be beneficial in managing mental health symptoms, a psychiatric evaluation by a psychiatrist is necessary. Psychiatrists are medical doctors who specialize in diagnosing and treating mental health disorders. They can prescribe medication and provide ongoing medication management to ensure optimal treatment outcomes. Psychiatric evaluations may involve a comprehensive assessment of your mental health history, symptoms, and treatment goals. To find a psychiatrist, you can ask for referrals from your primary care provider, therapist, or insurance provider. Online platforms like ZocDoc and HealthGrades allow you to search for psychiatrists in your area and read reviews from other patients. It is important to consider the psychiatrist's experience, credentials, and treatment approach when selecting a provider for medication management. 3. Support groups and peer-led initiatives. Support groups can provide valuable emotional support and encouragement for individuals facing mental health challenges. Peer-led initiatives, such as peer support groups and online forums, offer a sense of community and understanding among individuals with similar experiences. Support groups may focus on specific mental health conditions, such as depression, anxiety, or addiction, and can be a source of empathy, validation, and shared coping strategies. To find a support group, you can contact local mental health organizations, community centers, or religious institutions for recommendations. Online platforms like NAMI, National Alliance on Mental Illness, and Mental Health America offer resources to connect with virtual support groups and peer-led initiatives. It is important to choose a support group that aligns with your needs, preferences, and comfort level in sharing your experiences. Here are a couple of real-life examples of how individuals sought professional help tailored to their mental health needs. 1. Sylvia's journey to finding a therapist. Sylvia had been struggling with anxiety and depression for several years, but was hesitant to seek help due to the stigma associated with mental health treatment. After reaching a breaking point and realizing the impact of her symptoms on her daily life, she decided to seek the help of a therapist. Sylvia asked her primary care physician for recommendations and did some research on therapy approaches that could address her specific concerns. Through Psychology Today's online directory, Sylvia found a therapist who specialized in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and had experience working with anxiety disorders. During her initial session, Sylvia felt a sense of relief in sharing her thoughts and feelings with a compassionate and understanding professional. Over time, through regular therapy sessions and personalized coping strategies, Sylvia learned to manage her anxiety and depression more effectively and built confidence in facing life's challenges. 2. Nathan's experience with psychiatric evaluation and medication management. Nathan had been experiencing persistent symptoms of ADHD since childhood, which affected his focus, attention, and academic performance. Despite trying various coping mechanisms, Nathan felt overwhelmed and frustrated by the impact of his symptoms on his daily functioning. After consulting with his primary care provider, Nathan was referred to a psychiatrist for a thorough psychiatric evaluation and medication management. Through his insurance provider's network, Nathan found a psychiatrist who specialized in ADHD and had extensive experience in treating adult patients with similar concerns. During his evaluation, the psychiatrist conducted a comprehensive assessment of Nathan's symptoms, medical history, and treatment preferences. Based on the evaluation findings, the psychiatrist prescribed a tailored medication regimen and provided ongoing monitoring to assess treatment response and adjust medications as needed. Through the combination of medication management and psychoeducation on ADHD management strategies, Nathan experienced significant improvements in his focus, attention, and overall well-being. With regular follow-up appointments and open communication with his psychiatrist, Nathan felt empowered to take control of his mental health and make meaningful changes in his daily life. In conclusion, finding the best professional help for your mental health needs involves exploring different treatment options and providers to identify the most suitable approach for your well-being. Whether you opt for therapy, psychiatric evaluation, support groups, or a combination of services, seeking help is a proactive step towards improving your mental health. Remember that everyone's mental health journey is unique, and finding the right support system can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Hit that subscribe button now and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle.